Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person who likes to make things by hand, example toys or furniture. You should say who this person is, what he or she makes, why he or she likes to make things by hand, and explain how you feel about the person. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Creative work provides an opportunity to express one's thoughts, imagination, as well as skills in a unique manner. And today, I would like to speak about my nephew Rohit, who transforms recyclable material into artwork perfectly. So, unique means distinct, transforms means changes or converts. Recyclable means reusable, something that can be used again. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, he is only 13 years old and has a keen interest in art and craft, as well as makes a wide variety of items, including flower vases, picture frames, wall clocks, shoe racks from waste newspaper and cardboard boxes. So, keen interest means to have a deep or a strong interest in something. Additionally, unlike other kids who always want to purchase new things, Rohit believes in making things on his own from scratch and wants to contribute to waste reduction, thereby conserving resources. So, from scratch means from the beginning. Conserving means protecting. Besides that, on his last birthday, his parents insisted on gifting him a dog house. However, he refused and instead constructed his dog house all by himself with precision and appropriate measurements using such eco friendly products for his beloved pet dog. So, insist means to force. Refused means not ready to do something. Precision means accuracy. Eco-friendly products here refers to paper or cardboard. Beloved means loving. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I feel proud as a peacock for my nephew as he is so talented as well as conscious about the environment from such a young age and acts as a source of inspiration for people around him to promote a cleaner and greener environment. So we have used an idiom here which is feel proud as a peacock, which means to have a very high opinion about someone. And using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.